Hey everyone, I'm Brian Bowles, founder of Realty Plug, and what I'm going to show you here is a Craigslist ad that you can use to draw more traffic, essentially to you. And it's advertising a list of property types. So you can say, hey, click here for a list of all rentals in your area or all foreclosures in your area, and you're going to create that list using Realty Plug search. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's go to Realty Plug, and I've already logged in here, and I am in the My Widgets section. And this here is a list of custom searches I've already created, but let's go ahead and create a new one just for this ad. Let's do whatever location you want. I'm going to do one nearby here. Do your radius, listing type, property type. If you don't select anything, it includes all these property types in a custom search. I'm going to choose foreclosures because what I'm going to do is advertise here, a list of foreclosures in your area. Put in a price range, and it can be whatever you'd like. Minimum number of bedrooms if you'd like. You can include a minimum number of bathrooms if you'd like. I'm not going to. And just click Create Search Widget. And what we have now here is looks a little bit intimidating, but it's really rather simple. What we have here is, this is the one you're more concerned with. I'm not going to go real in depth, but each one of these tabs allows you to copy and paste this code here into whatever website you want, whatever blog you want, even in your blog posts on something like active rain. It'll create a custom search in there, and anybody can search it, and if they find anything they like, they can contact you for more info. So this, though, the search portal, that's the link we want to use for the Craigslist ads. And you simply copy and paste that into your Craigslist ad. It's that simple. So Control C. Now let's go ahead and go to Craigslist, create an ad. Housing offered. Real estate by broker. And don't copy my ad verbatim here. Get creative, I would keep it rather simple because I'm seeing a lot more click-throughs on ads that are more simple. Those that have a ton of pictures and a ton of detail usually get bypassed. People like simple, single lines, and something that draws them there. Click here for more info. Here's a little bit about it. Click here to get more. So I'm just going to show you here how you put in the link and what it can do for you. And I'm going to change this just for accuracy here. Doesn't really matter. Alright. And then now we paste that link in there. You do that right click paste or Control V, and then it'll paste it in. And then put whatever other information you'd like. If you'd like to put your name and number in there, feel free to. And then continue. So, and here's just a preview of your ad, obviously. Click here for a list of all foreclosures in and around St. Charles. That's simple. That's simple. Those are the ones we're seeing the most clicks on. Click it, and it'll take you to your custom search portal that has your contact information. Someone finds one of these. Let's say they like it. They can contact you. They would fill out that form, and it'll go directly to you. So again, simply copy and paste that link right into your Craigslist ad, and it's that simple. And those are the ads. Those slimmed down ads are the ones we're seeing decent click-throughs. Alright, so let's consider that part finished. I'm going to show you one other thing here, and let's say you want to kind of pretty this up. So let's say you do want to keep it text, but maybe you want to make some bold in there and make a title. It's very easy to do with what a software program called WYSIWYG. People refer to it as WYSIWYG. It stands for what you see is what you get. And in my opinion, the best free version out there is something called SeaMonkey, and it's created by Mozilla, the same people that have created Firefox. You're probably familiar with the Firefox browser. And I'm going to jump to this tab. So there it is, SeaMonkey. It's seamonkey-project.org. Once you go there, it'll prompt you to download it. I'm on a Mac, obviously, so it recognizes that. If you were on a PC, it would show, you know, whatever Windows version you're on there, and then to download it. I'm not gonna go through all the steps of installing it because it really is very simple to install. I'm gonna go ahead and jump over to the application once you do get it installed, and this is it. So what it is it's a browser with a whole lot of other tools. It's a browser just like Internet Explorer or Firefox or Chrome. But one thing in there that it has that others don't is its Composer. And to go to it, you go to File, New, Composer page. And this will allow you to dress up your text and even add images to your ad, do a whole number of other things. And the way it does that is you type in what you want in here just like you would a Word document. And what it does is it converts all that to HTML, which is what Craigslist wants to see in order to make your ad look that way. And if you notice these tabs down here, this tab, HTML source, that ultimately is what you'll copy and paste into your Craigslist ad. So here again, I'm gonna create one very basic, just like the other one. And you know what? I'll just go ahead and copy and paste our ad into that, and that'll be my starting point. So you can't just make bold text or large text in Craigslist. You have to mark it up with HTML. So this does that for you. Now let's say that link, we want it to be words here. We want it to be words instead, or even make this a link. You know, you can make that a link. You just click on link there and you can link it to this. So what I'm going to do is cut that, which, you know, is the same thing as copying it, and I'm going to select all of this here. Stick with me, it's much simpler than it seems. And then you just paste it right here. So those words are going to link to that URL. Hit OK. Alright, that is now a link. Okay, let's copy and paste that in. I'm done. You can make it as pretty as you want. You can do whatever you'd like with it. Go to that HTML source tab I showed you. Copy all of this. Control C or right click copy. Let's go back to this ad. We'll take out what we had in there before and paste it in. Now if I click continue, there you go. There it is, formatted now. The only way you can do that in Craigslist is by putting in HTML, and a WYSIWYG editor like SeaMonkey can do that for you, and it's free. And then same thing, you click on that, and there's our custom search. And that's it. You know, if you have any questions about using RealtyPlug or you know, looking for some other ideas on what to post to Craigslist to get more traffic, and you know, how you can maybe measure some of those analytics of how people are going from Craigslist to your website, I'd be more than happy to help out. You can email me at Bryan with a Y, B-R-Y-A-N, at realtyplug.com. Thanks for watching.